By completing very simple tasks, such as following a page, joining a Telegram channel, and leaving reviews, you can easily earn money on Gamers Universe. I have completed similar tasks multiple times and successfully withdrawn money. Here is my withdrawal proof. The simple tasks I mentioned can be found under the micro jobs and time wall sections. So, in this video, let's see how to complete them. First, let's check out micro jobs. Go to the website gamersuniverse.com. Click on the Earn menu at the top. Now, click on micro jobs to open it. Here, you will find many simple tasks. Each task mentions the number of coins you will receive upon completion. These coins can later be converted into real money. Alright, let's go through the steps to complete these tasks one by one. Let's start with the Join Telegram Channel task. Click the Start Task button. This will redirect you to the Gamers Universe Telegram channel. Join the channel. After joining, take a screenshot. Now, go back to the Gamers Universe website. Click Add File and select the screenshot you just took. Then, click the Submit button. Now the screenshot has been uploaded. Click Submit again to complete the task. The task is now submitted and is in pending status. Once Gamers Universe verifies your submission, the specified coins will be credited to your account. Now, let's move on to the next task. Click on Start Task for the Review Us task. This will redirect you to a review page. Click Write a Review. Enter a good rating and review based on your experience. Then, click Continue. If you have any payment proof from Gamers Universe, upload it here. If not, just click Skip to proceed. Now click Sign Up with Google and sign up using your Gmail account. On the next page, click Submit. That's it. The review has been successfully submitted. Now take a screenshot of the review. Go back to the Gamers Universe website, click Add File in the Review Us task, select the screenshot and upload it. Then click Submit to complete the task. Now let's move on to the next task. Click Start Task for the Follow the Page task. This will redirect you to Twitter. Follow the Gamers Universe page on Twitter. Take a screenshot. Go back to the Gamers Universe website. Click Add File. Select the screenshot and upload it. Then click Submit to complete the task. Now let's move on to the next task. Create a blog post about Gamers Universe. This is a slightly bigger task. However, if completed, you will receive 10,000 coins. Among all the tasks listed, this one offers the most coins. Let's quickly go through the steps to complete it. If you already have a blog, you can easily create a post and submit it. If you don't have a blog, I'll show you how to create one and complete this task. Open your browser and visit blogger.com. Click Create Your Blog. Sign in using your Gmail account. Enter a name for your blog. This will be your blog's title. Click Next. Enter a custom URL for your blog. Click Next again. Re-enter the blog name and click Finish. That's it. Your blog is now ready. Now, we need to publish a post about Gamers Universe. Click New Post from the sidebar. To write this post quickly, you can use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a blog post about Gamers Universe. Copy the generated content. Go back to the new post page in Blogger. Paste the copied content. Make any necessary small edits. Give the blog post a title. Once done, click Publish on the right side to publish the post. That's it. The blog post has been successfully published. Now, click the share icon on the blog post. Copy the blog post URL. Go back to the Gamers Universe website. In the Create a Blog Post task, paste the copied URL. Click Submit to complete the task. That's it. The task is done. Now, we have completed all the tasks in the micro jobs section. These tasks are now in pending status for verification. Once verified, the respective coins will be credited to your account. Now, let's see how to complete simple tasks in the time wall section. Click on the Earn menu at the top. Click on the Offer Walls section. You will see a list of offer partners. Click Time Wall. On the next page, click Google. Select your Gmail account. Now create a new password for Time Wall and click Confirm Password Change. Click I agree on the next page. That's it. We have successfully logged into Time Wall. Click on Tasks from the left sidebar. Now click on View Tasks. Here you will find simple micro jobs like before. Completing these tasks will earn you coins. Now let me show you how to complete one of them. Let's complete the Like the Time Wall Facebook page task. Click View on this task. On the next page, tick the checkbox and click Continue to Task. Click the provided link to visit their Facebook page. Like the page and take a screenshot. Go back to the Time Wall task page. Click Upload Image. Select and upload the screenshot. Click Submit for approval. That's it. The task is completed. To check whether the task has been verified, click My Submissions from the sidebar. Here you can see the status of your completed tasks. That's all. You can complete similar tasks and earn more coins. Apart from this, the Offer Walls section has multiple offer partners. Each of them has simple tasks. For example, if you click on Lootably, you will find various game tasks. These game tasks offer a lot of coins. When you click on a game task, you will get a unique QR code. Scan it on your phone, install the game, and start playing to earn coins. It's that simple. Similarly, you can try other offer partners in the offer walls section. Now, I will show you live withdrawal proof. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, click on your profile in the top right corner and open the settings. Click on the Payment tab. You will see several withdrawal options like Payeer, PayPal, etc. Choose the method you prefer and enter your payment address. Then, click the Save icon to save the information. Next, click on the Money tab at the top. Click Withdraw to open the withdrawal section. Select the method you want to withdraw with and check if your payment address is correct. After confirming, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click the withdraw icon. Finally, click Confirm. My payment is currently pending. It can take up to 60 minutes for the money to be added to your account after verification. I received my PayPal payment within 15 minutes. This is my withdrawal proof. Alright friends, that's the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share your thoughts in the comment box. If you want to watch more videos on earning money, click the playlist displayed on the screen.